Going into A2, technically round 4, but really round 3, but being called round 4, who cares? We're going to start with the 450s. This is the injury update for the weekend. Benny Bloss, who injured his tailbone at A1 out for San Diego, is now back in. So we have another rider in there. Brandon Hartraff, again, going to be the forever injury report, who, if I'm not mistaken, just had his shoulders worked on. So hopefully he's healing up well, and he'll be back sometime semi-soon, but I doubt that. Marvin Muscan, who last weekend was injured with a wrist problem, maybe arm, who knows. He's out again, and there is no determinate solid idea of when he'll be back. Justin Rodbell, torn Achilles, still out. That's going to be another one that's out for a long time. A new injury for this weekend, which is sort of just coming out as of today. Malcolm Stewart apparently suffered a practice crash and will be sidelined for A2. Not much really on that. No determinant on what happened, but we'll see. Derek Drake, who sustained a bad crash in San Diego, fractured his left humeral head, neck, and his shoulder, so he'll be out for a long time. Austin Faulkner, again, another one of those. He'll be on the injury list forever because at least this Supercross season. Vince Rees still out for who knows why. He was on crutches in A1, out for San Diego, out for A2. Couldn't tell you why. Kyle Greason, again, out with a L3 vertebrae sustained, or burst L3 vertebrae before the season. So, again, another long injury there. And the new one, he's not really... I'm going to include him because I'm going to include two people because they're new injuries. They're not racing in A2 in general because they're East guys, but Seth Hamaker and Joe Shimoda, both obviously sustaining injuries this week. Yeah. So they're going to be out. But that's our injury list. One new 450 guy, so the race gets even easier for Tomac. But in the comments below, comment anything you want. When do you think everything's going to be back? What do you think happened to Malcolm? Whatever you wish. As you're scrolling down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because obviously playing the YouTube algorithm game, it helps me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.